Central Daylight Time. Radar indicates. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Edgerton, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Edgerton, Palmyra, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Rome, Albion, Hebron, Sullivan, Utica, Rockdale, Mossville, Helensville, and National Weather Service Milwaukee Sullivan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA